All rise. Judge Bundaby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
This case starts with a father of 5 showing up in court, saying he's been raising all the kids by himself. Now, he's asking for child support from their mother. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, not so fast. Things get complicated quickly. From the beginning, there's a lot of confusion, mixed up stories, and major attitude. The judge isn't having any of it. The dad even cracks jokes during the hearing, while the mom, though officially notified, doesn't show up at all. So, what went wrong? Is this about bad parenting, someone treating court like a joke, or just pure emotional burnout? Stick around, because this case goes from I need help to get out of my courtroom in no time. By the end, you'll be wondering, was justice actually served, or did somebody just blow their chance?
Money, Judge.
I do too. So, what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids and I get paid.
Okay. So you want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I got to raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay, yeah. Got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
you know?
She did.
Like that movie, she got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on.
All right, let's break down this bold claim. I've got 5 kids and no one's paying me. Hold up, those are your kids. Child support exists to make sure both parents share the financial responsibility when it's not happening equally. Court isn't just a place where you show up, say you're broke, and expect a payout. You need proof, real facts, and a solid legal reason. Acting like you're being wronged just for raising your own kids? That's not how child support works, my guy. Now, onto the real game changer. The judge offers a default judgment. What's that? If someone's been officially served and they don't show up, the court can move forward without them. Huge win for the dad, right? All he needed to do was hand over some basic info, and the mom could have been ordered to pay, but hang tight because he's about to blow it big time.
Yeah.
All right.
What does like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely, she was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery too?
Mr. Casey?
Yes.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, yes,
okay.
Ma'am.
So
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them.
You guys, this man just said her income is 45 or 47 or maybe 980. What? How do you show up asking for child support and not even know what the other parent makes? This isn't the lottery. It's court. The judge basically handed him a golden opportunity. Just be honest, and she would have ruled in his favor. But instead, he started guessing and playing around, and the judge caught on right away.
She get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes she get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and I'm not going to ask again because my patience are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is wearing thin?
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No, well, you know what? I am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, you came in here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and...
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder. going back to refile this case.
Hold up. The dad starts pleading, "Judge, I'm sorry, I'm sorry." But the judge wasn't having it. She snapped right back, saying, "Yeah? Well, I'm sorry too. I've had a long day." The dad tries to lighten the mood, joking about accidentally bringing his drink into court. The judge isn't amused and tells him to put it back under the table. She makes it clear. It's been a long day, she's been hearing cases nonstop, and now he's just wasting her time. He begs, "Please don't throw out my case. I really need help. These 5 kids are wearing me out. I work hard." And the judge fires back, "I work hard too, and now you're going to work even harder by refiling this case." And just like that, dismissed. The judge wanted to help. She acknowledged the mom was legally served and was ready to rule in his favor. But his lack of preparation and sketchy answers completely blew it. This wasn't about favoritism. It wasn't even about the mom. It was about honesty, and when the judge didn't get it, it was game over.
Because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. Yeah. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're gonna do it, though. All right.
So, what's the takeaway from the Casey case? The judge made it super clear. If someone's been properly served and doesn't show up, the court can rule without them, but only if the person bringing the case is ready and prepared. This dad wasn't. He didn't have solid facts, threw out random guesses about income, and joked his way right into getting his case dismissed. This wasn't just about asking for child support. It came down to credibility. Courts are willing to give people a fair shot, but not if you waste the opportunity. Now we want to hear from you. Was this courtroom chaos or a real lesson in accountability? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Was the judge too tough? Or did she make the right call? If you found yourself yelling at your screen during this one, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back next week for more real courtroom drama. Only on Truth Court.
You all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back